port is a catalyst for overall economic development for the northwest of the kingdom and for the broader region. The intermodal corridor, opening up this historical trade lane, is a primary initiative in this effort.
Our first trial shipment from Egypt to Iraq, showcasing Port of Neom in Saudi Arabia, we are aiming to utilize the connection between Safaaga port in Egypt and Port of Neom.
Corridor is one of the many corridors that is growing, and it will further grow in the coming years. Our logistics corridor is not connecting only Saudi importers and exporters. It is serving key destinations and key origins in Africa, Middle East, and even beyond to the center of Asia.
السلام الحمد لله على السلامة مسلم.
So it's been proven many times that opening up supply chain option, reducing costs, reducing transit time, accelerates regional economic development and prosperity. And the intermodal corridor can play this role.
The Vision 2030 is transforming Saudi Arabia to be a global logistics hub. That means reshaping global, regional, and local logistics routes to take the advantages of the infrastructure of sea, air, and land ports, the 100% road-connected cities and ports, and the integrated logistics platform.
The success of this shipment as a proof of concept for a bonded intermodal corridor from the port of Neom to the east and through to Iraq is a significant milestone for the port.